Hey fam, it's your favorite big little sister, Jasmine TASHÉ, and today we're getting this fridge all the way together. We're cleaning, tossing out the old, and restocking with all the goodies. Let's get into it. First things first, we gotta clear everything out. If it's expired, crusty, or just been sitting too long, it's got to go. Now, refrigerator doesn't look too bad this time. Let's get it cleaned, wiped out. I used a little bleach, vinegar, and water, whatever you want to use. Now that she's clean, let's restock. I grabbed some essentials, fresh fruits and veggies, juices and snacks the kids like, all the good things and the must-haves in the refrigerator. And I ordered from two different stores. I ordered from BJ's as well as Walmart. Brothers and sisters, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. World's greatest ice cream, butter pecan. No argument. And when is watermelon season? Because I can't seem to get it right. 3 watermelons, neither one were sweet. Bought a lot of fruits and vegetables, but they have seemed to be going bad quicker than normal. Some of these vegetables came and they weren't right. Is it just me, or does it seem like even though the kids go to school, they come home and still eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Y'all tell me if I'm crazy, or y'all kids do the same thing too. Okay, so let's get this stuff put away. That cold foam right there, I learned how to make it on my own. I'm not buying it no more. Waste of money. And no, I don't have the containers to organize and make everything look all pretty because my lovely children broke them. Yeah, and I'm not buying any more until I move. I'm not doing it. I'm analyzing the corn because they won't make it past tomorrow. I gotta cook those tonight. That's what I mean about the fruit going bad and the vegetables. And this is just me trying to put things in the best place where they're easily accessible. And we have really been trying to eat healthier, and that's easier said than done. But we're gonna keep trying. We're not gonna give up, and maybe slow down on buying some of these snacks. And I want to thank you all for watching again. Make sure you subscribe and leave me some comments, y'all. I'm open to any ideas or suggestions, any way I can improve my videos. Let me know. Help your sister out. A house full of baby dinosaurs. And y'all, look at her. She's clean. She's stocked. She's that girl now, just the way I like. Thanks for hanging with me while I got my fridge right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lifestyle content from your girl, Jasmine TASHÉ, y'all favorite big little sister. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.